Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Run the following command to install the necessary essentials package. Next, go into the next directory, and after that, download the ImageMagick source archive from the official website using the following command. Extract the file After that, navigate into the extracted ImageMagick source directory. Run the following command to start the configuration script to prepare the build environment. Run the next command to install ImageMagick on your system. The following command updates the System Dynamics linker cache, so it recognizes newly installed shared libraries located in the following directory. And finally, check the ImageMagick version with the next command. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.